1. Honeygain. Earn passively with data collection. Honeygain, the first app on our list, lets you earn passive income by simply downloading and installing it on your phone. It works by collecting data on your online behavior and interactions with ads. The collected information is then sold to companies to enhance their advertising strategies. Rest assured, Honeygain only gathers non-personal data related to online trends. By participating, you contribute to the improvement of online ads while earning extra income. On average, users can make up to $18 per month with minimal device usage, and those who go all in can even reach $184. 2. Clip Claps. Get paid for watching videos. Clip Claps turns your video watching habit into a money-making opportunity. By watching videos on this app, you accumulate coins that can be exchanged for real money. With an hourly earning potential of $1 to $5, it's a simple way to monetize your screen time. Whenever you're browsing social media or watching online videos, opt for Clip Claps and start earning while doing what you enjoy. 3. Tap Mob. Earn by referring friends. Tap Mob offers a unique approach to earning passive income through cost per action (CPA) offers. By referring people and having them sign up using their emails, you can earn money without them having to make any purchases. It's an invite-only app, so be sure to use an invite code for access. Each email submission can earn you around $5 to $20, making it a hassle-free way to generate income. 4. Webull. Capitalize on investments. For those interested in investments, Webull provides a lucrative opportunity. Sign up, make a minimum deposit of $100, and receive 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600. This risk-free venture allows you to earn substantial profits with minimal effort. By leveraging this offer, you can potentially make thousands of dollars without lifting a finger. 5. Userfeel. Get paid to test websites. Userfeel rewards you for testing websites and applications. Tasks include shopping simulations, app testing, and surveys. The app pays an average of $10 per test, with some opportunities offering up to $30. With the potential to earn up to $80 per hour, Userfeel provides an appealing way to generate passive income from simple tasks. 6. Google Opinion Rewards. Profit from surveys. With Google Opinion Rewards, you can earn money by completing quick surveys. Each survey takes about 20 seconds and pays around $1 on average. Given Google's reputation, you can trust the legitimacy of this app. While making $120 per hour might be a stretch, even earning $10 an hour can be a valuable addition to your income. 7. Cash App. Earn by watching videos. Cash App allows you to earn money by watching videos on both iOS and Android devices. With a low minimum payout of 20 cents, you can cash out via PayPal after just 10 minutes of usage. If you're looking for a straightforward way to make money online, Cash App is an attractive option. 8. YouTube Studio App. Monetize your YouTube channels. Leverage the YouTube Studio app to monetize your YouTube channels. With dedicated effort, you can earn significant income through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and product promotion. The potential to earn a substantial income from YouTube is well documented, making it an enticing choice for content creators. 9. Coin App. Earn cryptocurrency by moving. The Coin app rewards you for walking, driving, or biking. It tracks your activity and rewards you with cryptocurrency for each step you take. This is a simple way to generate digital currency while engaging in your daily routine. 10. 1Q. Answer questions and get paid. 1Q sends you short questions to answer, paying you instantly via PayPal for each response. Whether it's 25 cents or $3 per question, this app offers instant earnings without any withdrawal requirements. It's a quick and easy way to earn extra cash on the go. These 10 apps provide various avenues for generating passive income online. From data collection and surveys to investing and testing, there's something for everyone. By using these apps strategically, you can turn your spare time into a source of extra income. Start exploring these opportunities today and take steps toward financial independence. Remember, these apps offer the potential to earn money, but results may vary based on individual efforts and circumstances. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.